After years of buying expensive body oils, I am now making it myself. This is going to be a huge batch because I want this to last me months, but you can find a smaller recipe on my website, and that link is in my profile. The recipe will be at the end of this video, but I've included fractionated coconut oil, sunflower oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, and sweet almond oil. Just make sure if you do the big batch, you get a larger bowl because, oh my God, I almost overflowed this. I separated them into 2 bowls because one's for my husband, and then I found these perfume essential oils for me and some for him on Amazon. With this big batch, I did end up adding an entire bottle, one for me and one for him, and then mixed it really good. Then you'll just want to add this to a spray bottle. I'm using my old body oil spray bottle, and then all of the extra that we have is going to go into separate containers for refills later on. This one small brown spray bottle did last about 6 weeks before I had to refill it.